everyone. I'm Kishore John, URK24CS1064. This video is all about implementing stack and queue in linked list using Python. Come on, let's get into the video. As you could see, this is the code which we are gonna explain and execute. So, first of all, what is it all about? Each node has two parts: data, which stores the value, and the next, which points to the next node. This class is used for both stack and the queue. So let's look at the stack implementation. So as we know, what is a stack? It is a data structure which follows the last in first out principle. So in stack class, I used a pointer called top to represent the topmost element of the stack. There are three main operations: push, pop, display, and also which finally we are also having queue operations, which is a separate thing. So let's look at the queue implementation. The queue has the following main operations: enqueue, dequeue, and display functions. So enqueue, as we know, adds a new element at the rear of the queue. If the queue is empty, both front and rear point to the new node. And dequeue removes the element from the front. If the queue is empty, it prints queue underflow. Otherwise, it updates the front pointer. Display, as you know, it prints all elements from front to rear. So now let's try executing the code. So before executing, let's just look at what we are going to expect in the output. First, I try to dequeue from an empty queue. It shows queue underflow. Then I enqueued 1, 2, 3, and 3. The queue becomes 1, 2, and 3. After one dequeue, 1 is removed and the queue becomes 2, 3. Let's see whether it is exactly what is happening. And yes, the thing is, it is happening exactly what we expected. So, from this video, we could clearly understand how stack and queue using linked list work in Python. Thank you so much.